Hi there. So today we are going to create a web page in Golang. So we will see how we can create a web page in Golang. So to create a web page in Golang, we are going to use two Golang packages. One is one is FMT, which gonna help us in formatted input output, and the next one is going to be the net HTTP. So it will provide us the client and server implementation. So let's start with the implementation part. So this is my file hello world webpage.go. So I have created this file in my folder webpage, right? So first of all, as we all know, every Go file must have a package, right? So this is going to be my main package. Okay, now as I mentioned, we'll have to import FMT and HTTP. Okay, as we all know, in every Go language, every file, every main file, your starting file must have a main function. So I'm gonna define my main function. Okay, next. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we'll have to use HTTP package for creating a web page. So I'm going to use these two functions. One is handle functions, which gonna register my handler function with respect to my given pattern, and listen and serve. This is my TCP network address. So this will listen to my given TCP network address. Okay, so let's use these functions. Now I'm gonna use HTTP dot handle. Let me just copy from here. I'm using this, and this will be my pattern. So this will be gonna my root path, and the function name will be, so let's say I'm giving it hello world. Okay, now as I mentioned, we are gonna use this listen and serve. So here we have this listen and serve function. Okay, so we are gonna use listen and serve. So here I'm mentioning 8080. Got it? Now, as I registered my hello world function with respect to this root path, now I'm gonna define this hello world function. Okay. Now, this is my HTTP handler function. So it must have some response and the response writer. It has some request and the response writer. So my W variable is going to be a response. So let me give you a brief about this response type. Uh, so this will be my response writer. So a response writer interfaces is used by an HTTP handler to construct an HTTP response. So it's gonna help me to construct an HTTP response, and this will be my request. A request represent an HTTP request received by a server or to be sent by a client. Got it? So this is going to be my sorry. This is going to be my response writer. Okay. So this is my response writer. So I'm gonna mention it as a response writer. Okay. Now the other will be my request. So it will be, it is a pointer parameter. HTTP dot reports. Okay, now so I'm gonna call it f print f, and I'm gonna mention that this will be my writer and hello world, and we are good. Now I'm just saving this file. uh, okay, this one is showing that no quick fixes. Okay, we can leave this for now. Now go to the terminal. Now I am here in my, okay, now I have to go to my web page. Here is my file, so let's go run. My file name is hello world, sorry, hello world webpage.go. Now oops, it gives me an error. So I have an error in row number 3 and row number 4. Let's see what's the error. So I have this import, and let me see what's the issue here. This one is SMT. Let me see. String found with this. Okay, okay. Oh, got it. My bad. So this use not curly braces, only parenthesis. Okay. So hopefully it's fine now. Yes, it's showing here that it is working fine. So now run again, and as you see, there is no any error. Now I'll go to my browser, and as I mentioned, localhost, and as I mentioned in my program here, that it will listen on 8080 port. Okay, so this is my 8080 and enter. And as you see, this is the hello world. Okay, so if I go here and we'll see that hello, hello there, and I'm saving this. I'll have to, if I'll check here, it will still say hello world because I haven't run it again. So to do this, I'll have to run it again. And once I'll go back to my browser, it will show me hello there. So I hope you'll be able to understand how to create a web page in Golang. So thank you. That's all from my side. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the notification bell button. Thank you. Thanks a lot.